Now, looking right here on my screen, you can basically see that I have $19,999 that I can actually use to trade. Now, this is free money given to me to trade and explore this financial currency market. Now, when you also look at my phone, you can also see that I have a balance here of $19,999 right on here. Now, this is actually about Forex, but then I actually want to expose you guys to a part of Forex that most of you guys might not even be familiar about. Because most people actually ask me, frankly, oh, how do I start up trading Forex? People are making thousands of dollars with Forex, and at the same time, other people actually get burnt. Now, I don't want you to lose your money at all, but I also want to help you to understand how you can actually get to start trading without even losing your money, and you can actually get to the point where you've mastered this particular market and you can actually start making a couple of wins for yourself. Now, the goal here is helping you to achieve more wins than even losses in this very first space. And in order to achieve this, FBS is able to give you any amount you want in trading capital in order to start out with what we call demo trading, where you can actually test your hands on how it works and on how you can actually get to master Forex trading and become a badass at it before you can even spend a dime of your money. Now, in this video today, I want to walk you guys through the very full process on how to get it done, how to set up your $20,000 demo account right here on FBS, and most importantly, how you can also connect it to your MetaTrader 5 app on your phone, and also show you a step-by-step course you need to take to learn how to trade. So basically, this is a full video because I want to expose everything to you, where I'm giving you this free money to actually trade, and I'm also giving you the process to your mobile phone so that you can actually connect it and get to start trading on there, and also giving you a full-blown course on how you can actually master trading and become profitable at it. Now, walk through this video with me and make sure you listen attentively to the very end. Now, the very first thing I actually want to do right now is to come over to this particular website. Now, I'm going to be leaving the link to this website down in the description as well as in the pinned comment, so you can use my link to get over on here. Now, once you're here on this particular page, you obviously want to go over to demo trading, try demo trading. Now, I don't want you as a complete beginner to go over and just start trading now, because you're going to be having a live account and you actually need to credit your own money. So go over and use the try demo trading on here. Okay, so let's say open the demo account. So once you're in here, you obviously want to start out with inputting your own email, and you also want to put in your full name. So I'm going to click register as a trader. So once you're in here, you can see I have a temporary password, and I'm just going to copy up this temporary password and store it somewhere. But then I also want to create my own password, and I can actually just have this password created for myself right away. Now, the next thing that happens here is where it's going to take you over to this simple page where you have to confirm your email. I'm going to proceed to confirm my email right now so that I have that part done. Now, once I'm done with that, it says here your email has been confirmed, proceed. And you can see here you have to make the choice of creating a live account or a demo account. I'm going to set on demo and then open the account. Now, once you're inside of here, the trading platform here, you want to choose MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is actually, an updated application as opposed to the MetaTrader 4, and you want to actually choose that. Leave your currency as USD, and your initial balance here, make sure that you impute it as $20,000, okay? Because that is the amount of money we want to use to test this whole place back and forth, okay? So we have different leverage here, and you can actually leave it at leverage 1 to 500, or you can even raise it to 1 to 2,000 or so, but this one is also fine. And you want to click on open market. Now, once you click on open market, it's going to bring you over to this very page right inside of here that shows you your login details to the MetaTrader 5 application. Now, what you simply want to do next is to go over to your mobile phone. Now, you can actually run all of this with your phone straight up, right? But you want to come over to your mobile phone and you want to go to your app store. For example, I'm on my app store right now, and what I simply want to do is to download the MetaTrader 5 app. So once you're on here on the MetaTrader 5 app, you can see I have the MT5 and the MT4, but then I'm going to go for the MT5. I have it installed already on my phone, so I'm just going to open it. But then this is actually my previous account instead of here. So I have the details right here on my screen, and I want to go ahead and add a new account. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing on this next space where I'm currently at is to go ahead and look for the company name. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you just want to look for FBS, right? And you can see FBS Market Inc. and a lot. Just tap on FBS here, and you can see that you want to choose on the demo accounts which you've registered for. The server is FBS demo. Your login. Now you want to impute the same login details you have here inside of this space. Okay, and once you've inputted the login, you also want to input the exact password that's been given to you. Just put in the exact password exactly the way it is. If you can copy and paste, awesome. And it says here save password. You want to save password, and you can see, boom, I already have $20,000 right here on my MetaTrader 5 application. Now I want you guys to go ahead and follow through with this particular process with me as I'm doing it on here, and let me know if you got 20,000 naira in your demo account for yourself. Tell me in the comment section below that yes, Franklin, I already got the $20,000 right here for my demo trading. Okay, now once you're here, you want to come back to the website and you want to go proceed to your personal area and all of those, and you can actually start a couple of verification, because yes, the verification is really quite important, because you are going to be switching over to a live trading later on when we have mastered this full process. Okay, and on here you can see every of the information you have, and you can see the funds you have right here in your balance. Okay, so this is a very simple process on how you can actually start using this demo trading account and also connect it to your MetaTrader 5. But then guys, I also told you guys that I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually start to learn how to trade, because it's important. Okay, now what I'm going to simply do is two major things for you guys right now. The very first one here is to create several other videos like this one, where I'm going to be breaking down everything around the forex trading to you step by step. Now in order to be able to get access to these videos, you actually want to make sure that you're subscribed to this particular channel and you smash on the bell icon, so that when I release more videos like this one, you are the first to be notified and you get them. Okay, so make sure you actually stick right on here, and then you follow through with our subsequent videos. Let me even know if you want those videos. Tell me yes, Franklin, I want those videos in the comment section below. But number two is for people who actually want to go faster right now. You actually want to come over here on my screen. You can see on the website right here, we are on analytics and education, and you want to start out with this very first step process, introduction to online trading. Okay, let's start from on here. Now this is exactly where we get to be introduced to this particular space, and we can just start trying out a couple of things for ourselves. So you get a couple of lessons. Lesson 1, trading instruments, setting things up, the main terms, how much in dollars, buy or sell, and you can actually take these 6 lessons for the start on the course 1. You can go back and start taking your course 2. Okay, basic for traders. And one thing I actually love about all of these lessons is that there are practical video guides on everything that you need as a complete beginner in order to get started here. Now what I simply want you to do right now is to follow this process I've actually done or shown you guys in this particular video, and follow it to this very point where you can even start taking your programs and your courses right on here in this very space. So from videos to text and all of those, you get all of the insights and you're good to go. Now I'm going to be leaving the links in the description of this particular video so that you're able to access FBS and you get the full knowledge and the full walkthrough on how you can actually follow through this particular process for yourself as well. Do well to leave me comments if you are confused or you have more concerns in the comment section below. And guys, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.